Hey there, have you ever been wanting to learn to paint but been terrified of making a start? The idea of making a mistake is just too painful. But have you also wondered what would it be like if you could dabble, if you could mix these beautiful colors, if you could get these colors like a beautiful melange coming together to create form and a lovely beautiful bloom like this? Well, great news is you've come to the right place. I'm Jacqueline Coates, and I'm actually the creator of the Blooms Painting Method, which is a system of painting anyone can apply to get great results just like this from the get-go. There's no need to go to art school and to wait and to be handed a piece of paper to have permission to do beautiful work. You can actually paint from home really quickly and even create something like this just in one day or less. So when you come and learn with me, I've got really in-depth teaching. I teach you how to handle the paint so that you can be and feel in control of what you're doing, and that the paint will actually do what you want it to do and get the results you want to get. And that will create gorgeous dimension and form on the canvas, and you'll just be really surprised at the accelerated results that you're getting even as you're moving through the processes. I also take you through how to mix color, and we don't even need a lot of fancy equipment. We use a limited palette, just 6 tubes of paint for these beautiful magnolias that I've got in my Magnolia teaching pack that you can do from home. And if you were working with me for 3 days, you'd have to probably travel interstate or even to another country. I teach in Australia, USA, New Zealand, and France when we have unlimited travel opportunities. But I'm actually bringing this to your living room so you can get going and not have to wait, and you can break out of your inertia right now and get cracking and get beautiful results, just like all my other students do. I've had fantastic feedback about the online learning. People feel that it's almost like I've just done it exactly for them, and that it's very one-on-one. And I know that my own teaching approaches, it's very compassionate, because I've been in the place too where I wasn't sure, didn't know where to start, and I was terrified. I wish I'd had me around when I started. So I teach for that and to help people. So when you learn the magnolias, you're going to learn about backgrounds, you're going to learn about editing your painting, you're going to learn about how to fix any mistakes that come up. You're going to learn how to mix the particular combinations of colors to get this looking really sumptuous and to get a great effect. And the biggest thing you're going to have to learn to do is to say thank you when people say how much they love your work. So I'll pop the link below, and I hope that you'll join me in class. It's all beautiful video sequences, a whole paint handling section, a whole section on color mixing, and then 2 whole sequences, one for each of these 2 paintings, and then a 3rd painting that I'm going to get you to do on your own, and you can post it in the Facebook page and share with me, and let me see how much you've learned from that. Super cool. See you in class for the magnificent magnolias, and let's get your painting on track. Let's bust past our fears, and let me show you how easy this is to do.